The birth of your child will be one of your most memorable days. The Women's and Children's Center at Mary Washington and Stafford Hospitals is here to make it so.
Our goal is that experience so that you will feel like you are the only patient here.
Your room is newly designed to be hotel-like, inviting, and peaceful, with plenty of space for your family to stay for the duration of this visit. With pampering from our caring, highly experienced physicians, nurses, and support staff.
It helps to have somebody that's been through it before as a care provider and that can lead and guide you through it and help you and support you in the way that you need to be supported. We're there to make this the best possible experience for you and your family.
Mary Washington Healthcare, here for you.